Okay, so what's going on, everyone? Today is what, October the 12th, 2024. We're going to talk about Doll's coin. It plummets. I mean, what do you expect with the meme coin, right? The market usually goes off to a great run when it first gets listed on the exchanges. The people who holds the cryptocurrency goes ahead and sells it, and then price completely plummets. Look at the price action. Like, look at the chart right now for what it is. This cryptocurrency, this meme coin is not getting any traction. What's going on? Will the sellers keep winning in this particular cryptocurrency? Because right now it looks like they will never relinquish their power that they have on this currency. Let's break it all down, because a price prediction was created for this cryptocurrency by yours truly right here on September the 11th, 2024. Here it is today. You guys can see that we anticipated lower prices in Dogs coin. Market came to our sell zone right there on the 14th of September. And then what happened? Ever since then, the price in Dogs has gone lower. Maybe the price will continue to go down. Sellers has a firm grasp of this meme coin. So now that was a pretty good call there, because if you work out the market right now in Dogs, we will be up 23.67% at the low of October the 1st. That transitioned over into like 40% drop. Yes, that is what a plummet looks like for those who do not know. Now let's talk about this market right now though. Okay, let's go ahead and first create a trend. Okay, we already know the trend runs supreme until it breaks, until the market alters that trend and begins a new trend. Has Dogs broken this trend yet? No, it hasn't. So guess what? The idea needs to be, an overarching theme needs to be, this cryptocurrency is still weak. So let's go ahead and get rid of these buy zones here on our chart. And we're going to create a couple of sell zones here for Dogs. Nobody wants to own Dogs. What's going on in the market, right? Let's create another sell zone real quick. Okay. So now look at this. Let's look at Dogs on a wiki chart first. And you can see that we kind of hit a basis, a foundation to where the market buyers in Dogs may begin to buy more Dogs. Maybe they like Dogs at a cheaper price, or maybe around like 6,000 points. Here is Dogs on the 5. You guys can even see it here that this is where the market in Dogs, people began to buy them right around here. So we're going to make that our support area or our buy zone. Real simple, easy. Every time price came down to 6,000 points, the market buyers begin to buy more Dogs. They like Dogs around 6,000 points. Take a look at this on the 4. Okay. Take a look at Dogs on the 3. Doesn't look too bad. Let's take a look at Dogs on 2. And take a look at Dogs on 1. This is pretty good too on a 2-day chart, to where we saw the sellers really try to come back into the market on this 2-day bar. But on this current one, look at what's going on. Now, it doesn't mean that we're about to hit the ball out of the park though, because you can see that price closing off of the highs of this 2-day price bar. We are trading at a sell zone as well, trading at a descending line. This might be it for the buyers. Here's Dogs on the daily. Okay, so we already got our initial buy zone established right here. This is our buy zone. We don't want, if you're a buyer, you don't want to see the market in Dogs break this trend or this buy zone right here. Okay, so we're at a crossroads right now. Will the buyers have enough momentum to break this downtrend line? If so, look for price to come to this first initial sell zone here, and then maybe they might hit that second one. And that's probably about it though. Here it is on the 7. You guys can even see right here, sellers began to sell more Dogs. 330-minute chart, same thing. So the question now is, yes, price is currently bullish in the short term. I give you that. Now, the problem though that we don't know is, as we see this selling begin right now, how low do you think the market's going to go before buyers come back? Because a lot of people saw, man, we saw Dogs run up how many percent? from the low of just 2 days ago to a high of today. 29% in like 2 days. So people may be coming in and taking some of this profit because they're like, oh man, I wake up one day, then the next moment I'm up 29%. Let me get up off this and sell it. Because this is a meme coin, right? It has no purpose outside of just trying to get paid. That's it. Nobody wants to hold this into perpetuity. What do you guys think is about to pop off? Do you think the trend is broken of this long-term chart of the market and dogs continue to go lower? It may be for a spat. It may be for a small time. But all in all, we might just see this cryptocurrency do this. Okay, we might. I'm not convinced yet. I do like this 2-day bar though, but I'm not convinced to the point to say, yeah, let's go ahead and make this thing run up. I'm not seeing that yet. So put this on the 90-minute chart. That's a buy zone there. So I would have to say, in the advent that sellers do come back into the market, you don't want to see the market break these buy zones. Here's one right here too. I'm just telling you that now. If you're looking for the market to go up, come back, look at these zones to see if the market breaks it, the sellers, to the downside. The automatic will know that this trend is still intact. And consider that this is the longer term trend, we have to follow that stance until it breaks. So the question is, you playing the market move up or down? That's the question. For me, I'm playing it down. But hold on, let me tell you the reason why. Relax. I'm just playing it down because I don't know how motivated these buyers are at this price right now. Okay, I don't think that they're truly motivated yet. Now, my targets are real close to where the price is. The first area is right here at this buy zone already. Okay, that's only what, 2.25%. It's not even a lot, but that would be the best outlook that we would like to see. If you want to see the price in dollars go up though, you will want to see that. You want to see the market don't go no lower than this first buy zone. My second target is going to be at this next buy zone, which is 10.5%. Okay, these two buy zones will be the perfect scenario for us to see this market in dogs break this downtrend line. You'll see something like this come down, market bounces, and then boom, it finally breaks through. Okay, so that is what we are going to anticipate for the market in dogs right now. Third target will be all the way down here in the next buy zone. So let's see what happens. I think this might be a sell zone here. So we're going to get rid of this sell zone, add this one, and get rid of this one. Okay, just like that. All right, so I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.